Greetings, everyone. This is Elizabeth behind the camera. We are in the newly resituated craft room yet once again. Do you guys ever just have to redo your craft room a bazillion times because it's just not right? I do. 'Tis the season. 'Tis the season to do it again. So we're let me turn around. We come up the stairs. It's a hot mess back here. This is out of sight, out of mind. Granted, I see it every time I walk up the stairs, but I don't come over to this area very much. So it's probably going to stay a hot mess right here because I don't know what to do with all of this stuff yet. I still have some tweaks to do. Some of this stuff is for the birthday celebration. That's a work in progress. I work on it on Fridays on the YouTube Twitch combo. Okay, so we've come up the stairs. We ignore the boxes. I got to break them down. Don't worry about it. We'll get to that. Then we come to this stand, which we had a table that was tucked in the corner and it ran this way. And there was a pretty good amount of space for somebody to sit and craft. Nobody was really using it. So we took that table and we put it over there. It's fabulous. I'm so glad I did that. Those are my ginormous speakers, aka my husband's speakers. The stereo that goes for that. And then the records that goes for that. This is just extra stuff. And those are from you guys. That's all my Happy Mail. Look at that. Like 5 years of Happy Mail sitting there. I know, right? Some wooden stuff. And the baking thing for when I do polymer clay. I know, right? Sublimation. Roly-poly sublimation. It's all in there. And then this one is some paper for the printer. Some airbrush stuff. And then we come to this little stand here. We like this little stand here. The scan and cut. Some canvases, the scan and cut stuff. Those don't fit. I gotta figure that out just a little bit more. But sewing, cookbooks. I know, right? Look at these. I got these little hooks off of Amazon. I have them on the back of my bedroom door. I hang up my wet clothes on them. I hang up my bras on them. You guys, we hang the tools on them. They're really cool, but they will rip the paint right off the wall. So just know that. And I have two in the shower. One to hold the plug and one to hold a loofah. I love those. Anyways, back over here, we has the stuff. So this is our drying rack, aka works in progress. My son is wanting to decorate his helmet, so that goes there. And it wheels out of the way for my 4. Look at that, 4 of them. What do you got in these things? All the things. You guys, I have all the things because I'm an addict. I like craft stuff. Embossing powders, glitters, micas, more glitters, more brads, you guys, buttons. We have all the things. Eyeballs. Foil. We have mink foil. We have toner foil. We have glimmer foil. We have it all, you guys. Vinyl. If we need vinyl project, we got that too. Then we have wooden stamps. We've got accessory extras. Not accessories, but extras. Extra lunar paste. Shh. Shh. I know. Extra foam tape. Extras. Wooden things. Do we need this many wooden things? No. But are we happy we have this many wooden things? Unfortunately, yes. And this one's stuck, so I'll have to fix that. More tiny wooden things. Lunar paste things. Lunar paste on glass, lunar paste on fabric. So when we talk about lunar paste, I pull it out. These are done things. These are done things that I don't know what to do with. That, I don't even know. Wooden thing that could be painted. It's a flag. You guys, I have so much stuff. You don't even know. Watercolor paper. I cleaned my desk so I can actually work with watercolor paper now. Painting things. I'll probably get rid of this stuff. As long as I've been here, I've never even used these things. So many things. They might go in the birthday celebration. Oil pastels, regular pastels. Why are these things falling out of their homes? Yupo paper. Washi! Washi tape! You guys know what those are. You guys know. Foil that's used. The glimmer machine, that's good. Those things. The glimmer machine, that is bad. Ugh. But these, my roller carts, this one I'm really proud of. I just got it and we filled it with all the painting things that I use when I do the paintings. So then I can just roll it right on over. And I have all the watercolors on there, the painty paints, paintbrushes. I know, right? I love that one. This one's nice. This one's nice. We have the sewing machine. My project that I need to get done so I can actually wear that this winter. My colored pencils and Inktense pencils. Pencils, you guys. And then fabric. That might not stay like that. And then this. This is all paper. Paper. Who needs that much paper? Nobody. Nobody needs that much paper. But I have that much paper. So, there's that. I know, right? And then, carving stuff. My Pink and Main event calendar from last year. I just need to go through and put that away. Cards I've made. Backgrounds. More paper. Cards I've made. More paper. More paper. More paper. More paper. My 360s from scrapbook.com that doesn't sell them anymore. I could have used one more, I think. Just one more. But it's okay. It's okay. And then, you guys, this is the area that I'm like really happy for. I wish I'd have done a before. Because before we had one table all the way into this corner, and I felt jam-packed. But now it's open. Look at all of this space. I am not done. I'm not done. I got things to clean and put away, but oh my gosh. Look at all of my inks. They're all right there. Look, this is what I get to look at now. When I'm chatting with you guys. This is what I get to look at. Oh, look at. And then I turn, look. All my sprays. All of my lunar pastes and astro pastes and solar pastes. Another 360 alcohol inks. Ugh, you guys. Gemini. He's a good boy. He's a good boy now that I know his sandwiches, so he sits there. This is going to get all cleaned, and that's my mail that needs to go out. There's my Scout. You guys see the Scout? The computer. That's where I see all you guys. My light box. Don't mind my dirty plate. I forgot to take it down last night. These, you guys, some of you guys know how I store my stamps on 8.5 by 11 papers, and then I tape a acetate to the top. So my companies that I have affiliate links for, like Crafty Stamp Co., scrapbook.com, Tim Holtz, and Ranger, okay? This is my prize and possession. My prize! All my Simon Hurley photopolymer go here. Because photopolymer's got to go all by itself for the Simon Hurley. Because under the table, are you ready? Oh, let's get down on our hands and knees here just so we can look. Simon Hurley, background stamps. Yeah, I know. Cutting mats and plates for machines, stencils, all of my stencils, my papers that I use. So if I run out, I have a little bit of extra down here, but I have a place where I keep A2 size panels. Sometimes I need a bigger sheet, and that's where those are. My cutting machines, watercolor paper for Watercolor Wednesday, and then other specialty papers. Printer. I got another printer too, right there. The garbage. The garbage is under the table now, so hopefully we don't lose anything in the garbage. Because I feel like maybe I might have lost my mom's knife in the garbage, and I'm kind of sad about that. These guys go over here. Those two just hang out there. Ribbons and things in all of those bins. This guy here, this was my mom's little thing, but we keep important tools because you need these to tighten the handles on your cutting machines. Our light pad, some other stuffaluffaguses. Companies, rubber stamps, more rubber stamps, because that's just how I store them. You guys store them however you like to store them. And check, right? There's all that crafty stuff, and then I roll over here, and we have dies. Not dies. Foil plates and better press. And then 6x6 papers. Yeah, they're because they don't fit in the other paper. And more Simon Hurley stuff. Those are Simon Hurley dies, foil plates, embossing folders, all of Simon Hurley. I know he's not all in the same spot, but we just don't have the room to shove all of the Simon Hurley stuff in all the same spot. But we know where it's at. More stuff. Glitters, embellishments, all the things, you guys. But yeah, I'm really happy. I got stuff to put away. Like, this is all kind of new stuff that just needs to get put away. You guys, I mean, I know, right? Oh, you guys, you would like to see what's in here, but I can't show you. I can't show you what's in there. But I can show you these if you don't have them. I have affiliates for Ranger, scrapbook.com, Spellbinders. This one's an oldie, but we love it. All the things. Look it. Anyways, so this is my room. And I'm much happier now because look, it's so... I can put my feet up. Well, not really. I'm going to fall, but it's all good. But look it. I'm so happy. Just all of them right at my fingertips. And I have room to expand because I'm sorry, Holtz, but your oxides can go elsewhere if I get more Simon Hurley stuff. Because those are all Simon Hurley inks. I know. Aren't they beautiful? You guys. But yeah. So my working area is all nice and organized. Everything has a home. Some of these things I just have to get into their home. I've been working a few hours here and there to do all the things, right? Ugh. Let me know. Let me know if this has inspired you to go and reorganize your room, because it might be the season. Maybe you don't use things as much as you do and you can push them out of your way. Like, I rearranged my room and had the Scan and Cut like right by me, but I still didn't use it. So we moved it again and we put that right by me because I use that all the time. And now I don't have to get out of my chair to use it, which is nice. And then my roller polar carts. We love the roly-poly carts, because then we just pull it back. Because we don't go into that room. You want to see? It's a crazy. There's stuff in there, but we don't go in there. Shh. Shh. Just shh. We don't go in there. All the things that we need are right out here. All the things. All the things. Like cards I've made. Oh, that reminds me. I can get more cords out of there. Ephemera things, you guys. I have all the things. This is Sunday. What is today? Let me look at the calendar here. Let me look at my calendar. We're looking at Sunday the 16th right now. Okay. December 1st. Come hang out with me. We're starting the birthday celebration. If you guys don't know what the birthday celebration is, come hang out with me. You're going to need a pencil and a pen. All of those, December 1st through the 6th, you need a pen and a piece of paper to write down some words. Those words are going to get you entered. Okay? Entered to win some stuff. But you got to come hang out on December 1st. I might do an impromptu on the 30th. I don't know. It depends. I might be visiting somebody on the 30th. You guys, I might be. I'm kind of excited if I get to. Anyways, birthday celebration, December 1st through the 9th. 2 days we're going to be hanging out with Jay. The 8th and the 9th. I'm going to do giveaways on my channel on the 7th. But you got to come hang out the 1st through the 6th to get some words. So you can be entered to win on the 7th. And then we will see you today. Today is I'm going to see you Pattern Paper Monday, 7 p.m. Eastern on the YouTube Twitch, or 2 p.m. Eastern on TikTok. TikTok will be doing some coloring. 2 o'clock TikTok. 7 and 7 for YouTubes. I don't know if I'm going to be live on Tuesday on the YouTubes. I don't know. Maybe. Oh, yeah. At 7 p.m. 2 crafty girls. Well, it'll just be me. I'll be the one crafty girl. Anywho, take care of yourselves. Stay crafty out there. If you have any questions about anything, you can message me on Messenger. You can message me on Discord. Discord, Facebook, all that stuff is linked in the description box below. If you want some Simon Hurley inks, you can use my affiliate link for Ranger or scrapbook.com, Spellbinders. Also linked down below. I had a lot of fun. Not really. It's hard work cleaning, but then it's so nice when it's done, you guys. I mean, look. These were over there, and now they're right here at my fingertips. I'm really excited. And I got room to grow, Mr. Hurley. I got room. You can bring on some more solar sprays. Anyways, take care, and we'll see you next time right here on the channel. Bye-bye.